Ah, the quail barn. It almost blew over here about a week ago. So today, not in this video, but today I'm going to be working on a quail hutch. Walk over here, I'll show you guys material. But in this video today, what I'm gonna be showing you is a rare peacock egg. And we're gonna talk about why it didn't hatch. We're gonna break into it, and we're gonna see what's going on with it, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, and this is like the first video you've ever seen, and you like it, please subscribe. It helps us out a bunch. And we got a lot of things going on in the homestead. We got chickens, quails, pigs, sheep, a little bit of everything. We just butchered some rabbits here a while back. So if you're new, I think you guys like it. If you're into this kind of stuff, please subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm gonna show you the materials we got for the quail hutch. Let me get this out of the way. Little tractor tire. But I went and bought the material about a week ago. I'm going to build probably like a 3x8 quail hutch, so I can get the quail out of the barn over there that we had them in. Another good storm probably going to blow it completely over, so we got to get them out of there, get them protected. So we'll be working on that in the next couple videos that you guys see. But before we get into the peacock egg, let's walk out here and check on the animals. Everyone always likes seeing the animals and the pigs, so we'll do that first, and then we'll go in the house and we'll get the egg out of the incubator. Peacocks, I think, are 27 days. It's like on 30 days, so I always give my eggs a couple extra days to hatch, because my quail, sometimes they'll hatch on 15 days, sometimes they'll hatch on 16 or 17 days. So I always give them a couple more days, and that's what I did with the peacock. I did not candle the peacock egg. I rarely ever candle my eggs, because they're either going to hatch or they're not going to hatch. So with that being said, we'll go in there, we'll get it, and we'll bust it open and see what's going on. All right, we're out here at the pigs. Check them out. What y'all doing? Huh? Y'all fat and happy? Huh? Shelter works perfect. I'm going to get in there. I'm going to check their feed. They've been going through about 50 pounds every 3 days or so. There's 3 of them, so we'll get in here. It's about the 3rd day since I put some feed in there. We'll get in there and check it. I've got, if you're new to my channel, you don't know about my pigs, I got them in some Premier 1 netting. Hold on a second. Yep, they're out. So we'll put a bag in there real quick. It's actually my last bag. I'm gonna have to get some more tomorrow. That fills it almost all the way to the top. I could probably get about 10 more pounds in there if I had it. So we use the Premier 1 hog netting. Let me turn this back on. You can see it has kept them in all year long. We're gonna go crazy on that for a minute. Okay, while they're enjoying their dinner, lunch, and breakfast all at once, we'll walk over here, check on the layers for a minute. We got 10 layers, 2 Rhode Island Reds, and 8 Cinnamon Queens. Cinnamon Queens are a hybrid off of the Rhode Island Reds. I'm only counting 7 Cinnamon Queens. We better go in here. Oh, there she is over there hiding. All right, she's back there. Now I do have an automatic feeder and water hooked on. It's hot here in Oklahoma. It's still like 97 here in Oklahoma. I think we got a few more weeks of summer, and finally the fall will come, hopefully bring some cooler weather. But anyways, I got an automatic feeder and water in there. I haven't been putting the automatic feeder to use because I like to go out there, put hands on, get chicken count and all that. So I just throw some on the ground for them. That way they can be chickens and scratch and do all that stuff. So they're doing good. So let's go in the house and check on that peacock egg, and we'll bust into it and we'll see exactly what's going on with it. It wasn't fertile. The temperature wasn't right. Something. Let's go in there and investigate this. Okay, we're in my old office. We turned it back into my daughter's room, or to my daughter's room. But I do have my incubator in my closet in my old office. It's just one of those cheap styrofoam incubators, and it's always worked really well for us. I got the automatic egg turner on and all that. We did hatch some quail in here along with the peacock egg, but we had a really high success rate on the quail. I think we hatched like 15 out of 20 or something like that, somewhere around there. Really good rate for the quail. But let's get this peacock egg out of there. Like I said, it's day 30. It ain't hatched yet. It ain't gonna hatch. It is nice and warm, but I don't want this to bust on me. We're gonna take this outside and we're gonna get into it and just see why it didn't hatch. Okay, me and Hayden. Hey, what's up, Hayden?
Nothing.
Hayden Riley. Go check her YouTube channel out. It's called Hayden Riley. She posts a lot of jiu-jitsu stuff on there. But anyways, me and Hayden got the peacock egg out of the incubator right here. I'm gonna let her bust into it. Gabby's over there having a feast on the water in the pool. What's up, Gabby? She is about to pop. She is going to have puppies any day now. We just can't wait. She's out here just walking around. You can tell she's not liking life right now. She's so big and just won't lay around all the time. But what's up, Hayden? You gonna help me bust this peacock egg open?
Yeah.
So we're gonna bust this open. I got my little surgical Gerber knife. I'm gonna be used for skinning animals and stuff. But we're gonna bust open this little peacock egg to see what's going on with it. Is there an embryo in there? Is there not? Let's bust it open and find out. Hayden, you want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Be careful with this knife, right?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
This may stink pretty bad. Are you ready for that?
No.
It might pop all over us too.
Let's get that. Oh my. I think that's a baby.
There's that.
What is that?
Okay, we bust this open. You can see it's nothing but yolk. So what I could tell, Hayden wants to bust it out on the ground. Hayden wants to bust it out on the ground, so I'll let her. But there's no embryo or nothing in there. This had to be an unfertile egg, for the best I could tell. What does it smell like? Smell it.
Ew.
Does it stink?
Yeah.
Here, just lean down. You can put it on the ground. See. It's just yolk.
Ew.
Gabby probably get a smell of it. She'll be trying to eat it.
Crush the egg?
No, you don't need to do that. You want to go get it to the pigs?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, pick it up. You get to the pigs.
Ooh.
So nothing was inside there except for yolk, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy, isn't it? All right, we'll walk over here and give this shell to the pigs. They'll just crush it up and eat a little bit of it. But yeah. Yeah, so the peacock was not a success. We got that from Bill over at Stony Creek Heritage Farm. He has some rare peacocks over there, and I'll try to find some pictures of the ones that he raises, and I'll put some pictures up here for you guys. They're like a white, they have blue. I mean, they're really, really cool. So I was really looking forward to having one of his peacocks here. Maybe next season when they start laying again, maybe we'll get some more from them. We'll see. I really want to have peacocks out here on the farm. My grandma absolutely loved peacocks. She always had peacock feathers like in the house for display. I think as a kid she really enjoyed them, and I'd like to have them out here on our homestead too. But let's get Hayden get it to the pigs. You just toss it to them.
Oh. Oh, it's drinking his water.
Oh, hi, you daddy. There you go. So cool. They made quick work of that little eggshell, didn't they?
Oh, they're passing it down.
Look at him. He's like, what is that? He's eating it. Hey, thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Huh?
You're welcome.
I wish that would have hatched. I was really looking forward to having one of his, like I said, run around the homestead. Now, if you guys have any luck with hatching peacock eggs, leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you think it is. I think it just wasn't a fertile egg. And Bill said it may not be fertile just for the fact that the breeding season, I guess peacocks have breeding seasons, and he said it was about over if it wasn't over. The male was starting to molt, so he wasn't for sure yet, but we wanted to try it. I know Weed'em and Reap. If you guys are not familiar with that YouTube channel, go check them out. It's Weed'em and Reap. I'll put a little iCard up here to one of their peacocks. They had their turkeys actually hatched out some peacocks for them. They got two little baby peacocks running around. That they had the turkeys hatched out. two that I know of. There may be more. I can't really remember. But if you get a chance, go check it out. They're awesome. And I've been wanting peacocks for a while. Not only would they remind me of my grandma, but I think they would look awesome just running around the homestead, just running around out here eating ticks and whatever else they eat. I don't know. We actually don't have a lot of ticks here. Someone's going to say, peacocks don't eat ticks. They might. They might, but they'd be awesome to look at. I know that. So that's all I got for you guys today. We want to get to the bottom of why the peacock egg did not hatch. And I determined it wasn't fertile. Better luck next time. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And don't forget, go check out Weed 'em and Reap and look at their peacocks. They are awesome. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.